We finally made it into the park. We just used the fancy boardwalk entrance to get into Epcot, and now we're already in World Showcase. Oh, thanks. We're gonna go do, what is it called, babe?
Behind the seats.
Behind the scenes. We're gonna do a fancy little tour. We've never done it before. We're very excited. We're gonna film as much as we can, but I don't think you're allowed to film some of it, right?
I don't know if you are.
Yeah, we'll see. But very excited about it. Love all the puppies. We just got our tags for our, where'd you put it? Oh.
Gonna meet Stanley?
We're gonna go meet Stanley. He's very sensitive.
4 different names. His scientific name is Mimosa pudica, but he's commonly referred to as the touch-me-not or the sensitive plant.
And why are we able to touch it?
Huh?
Why do we get to touch that?
Well, because
Because
it's
it's
cool
cool.
little defense mechanism. And then also, he's not edible. That's why we refer to him as a greenhouse pet.
Just let him spread back out when he's ready to eat. Here, let's get
That is
So
awesome.
it takes about 10 minutes for him to open up all his leaves after they've been touched. And he basically closes them up to defend himself. So if a large gust of wind comes through, heavy downpour, or some animal decides to start petting him, he'll close them up. And he does this by moving water from one side of the leaf to the other, causing them to close up. Stanley here, he's
That is crazy. Oh, wow.
He doesn't look very edible because he looks like dead.
Yeah.
So herbivores will just leave him alone.
Wow. Smart plan right there.
It's another great way.
Greenhouses here are zero waste certified, meaning that we recycle 99% of the waste that we generate here at our greenhouses.
tell, it's raining. Womp womp womp. I was just talking about how awesome the tour was.
It was pretty awesome.
It was really informative.
It was really.
Probably not the best for like kids, right? There was a little kid on it.
It's really like into
Plants.
plants. I don't know what the scientific term for.
Yeah. It's called herbology.
Herbology. That's what I was gonna say, but
Yeah, there was a little boy on it, and he seemed a little bored, but we had a good time. We learned a lot, and we're gonna go home and make a hydroponic garden, right?
yeah.
Lee's friend Brandon is here, and he's right there. I don't know if you can see him. He's all by his lonesome. Womp womp.
Canada.
Look who we ran into. Look at this guy.
Chad Higgins.
Chad Higgins.
Sheriff of Asheville.
Re-elected for 4 more years.
And from this point on, I won't understand anything they're talking about.
And number 2.
Thank you.
And 1 more.
The moment we've all been waiting for.
So good on draft.
As good as you remember. Cheers.
Cheers. How'd it go? Oh, I didn't get in on that.
Somebody got his popcorn, doo-dah, doo-dah. Somebody got his popcorn, and now he's really happy.
It's a good song.
Thanks. Is it delicious?
You tell me.
Yeah. Pretty delicious. We're gonna go in mouse gear. Woohoo!
I'm having the best day.
The best day ever?
Ever.
Ever.
Ever. Ever.
Wow. That's pretty crazy.
How was your day, Ben?
Pretty magical.
Pretty magical.
Yep.
The most magical day ever?
I don't know, I've had some pretty magical days.
That is true.
It's on the top. We're about to get even more magical because we're going to a Germany restaurant and we're gonna eat so much food. Right?
Yeah. Beer garden. What's it called? The beer garden place?
I think it's called Oktoberfest or something.
Something
isn't it?
like that. It's all those words jumbled into one somehow.
It's a bunch of German words put together. Just kidding. I'll let you know when we get there. How about that? But I'm gonna eat a lot of food and it's gonna be really awesome. Oh, there's a puppy. Did you even see? What? Alright, we're at the German restaurant and I just piled my plate down with so much good food. But the best thing is the sauerkraut. Yum. And we got a lot of food too. I have officially eaten my body weight in German food. How about you?
I went for second, so I don't know why. But it's so delicious, that's why.
Y'all full
Yeah.
and happy?
That was my second.
Really good. How
Where's
about,
the all gone?
how about you?
I am gonna explode. Y'all done?
I'm so full I can't see straight. Not a lot.
This place is so pretty.
What are you riding, babe? Yeah. From Germany.
Oh no!
I was so stuffed after dinner.
Yeah, we
Totally forgot to get
ate so
it.
much food at dinner. Now we're gonna go back to the boardwalk and hang out for a little bit and maybe go get a beer.
I think we're gonna go to the Abracadabra. And we were told last night that they have the biggest selection of bourbon on Disney property. So we're going to explore that.
So we're gonna have some bourbon tonight. Apparently. Stay tuned. There we go. Can you guess which ride we're on? By the color of the seats?
During your slow moving
Oh, our picture time. Puppy!
It's a problem she has.
Did you see me in there?
I can see you.
I was photobombing you a minute ago. I'd photobombed you. I'd give you a peace sign.